In League City, where well-kept neighborhoods and attractive homes are a point of pride, homeowners are always looking for simple upgrades that create a strong first impression. One of the most effective yet often overlooked ways to refresh your home's exterior is by installing new windows. Modern windows don't just improve energy efficiency, they elevate the entire look and feel of your property, making it stand out in your community. Whether you plan to sell soon or simply want a home you're proud of, new windows can dramatically enhance curb appeal. A fresh, updated look instantly. Older windows often become faded, warped, or outdated. Frames may chip, glass may fog, and styles that were once trendy can make a home look aged today. New windows restore the crisp, clean lines your home once had. With customizable frame colors, grid patterns, and shapes, you can complement your home's architectural style while giving it a fresh, modern appearance. In neighborhoods across League City, from coastal homes closer to Clear Lake to family-friendly subdivisions further inland, updated windows instantly make a property look newer and more inviting. Even simple changes like switching from aluminum to durable vinyl or wood-clad frames can dramatically improve your exterior aesthetic. Enhancing architectural style and character. Every home has a unique personality, and the right windows help bring that character to life. If you own a craftsman-style home, new windows with divided light grids can highlight the traditional charm. Colonial homes benefit from symmetrical window layouts, while contemporary houses look stunning with large, sleek picture windows. Replacement windows offer homeowners the chance to match or even enhance architectural details. For example, bay or bow windows add dimension and elegance to front facades. Casement windows introduce a clean, modern touch. Double-hung windows offer a timeless, classic look. By aligning your window style with your home's structure, you create a seamless visual appeal that helps your property stand out for all the right reasons. Improved color coordination and design control. One of the most appealing elements of new windows is the ability to customize their color. Homeowners in League City often choose frames that blend beautifully with local architectural trends and color palettes. From warm earth tones to crisp white finishes or even bold, modern blacks, new window frames allow you to intentionally coordinate with your roof, siding, brick, or trim. This design flexibility gives you more control over your home's overall appearance. Instead of working around faded or limited color window frames, you can refresh your exterior and create a cohesive, eye-catching look. More natural light and stunning views. Curb appeal isn't only about how your home looks from the street, it's also about what buyers or guests experience when they step inside. New windows brighten your interior with more natural light, making rooms feel larger and more welcoming. From the curb, larger or clearer windows also create a clean, elegant look that suggests your home is well cared for. Clean, energy-efficient glass eliminates the fogging that older windows often develop in humid coastal climates. This clear glass enhances the appearance of your home from both inside and out, giving visitors a sense of openness and warmth before they even walk through the door. A sign of a well-maintained home. New windows send a clear message: the home is updated, efficient, and cared for. In League City, where competitive home values and strong neighborhoods are the norm, this impression can make your property more attractive to potential buyers. Even if you're not selling soon, having windows that look modern and function properly adds pride and comfort in daily living.